Introducing HepvO, a revolutionary sanitary waste valve which replaces a P-trap where space is at a premium. Look under most sinks and you'll see that the trap takes up a lot of space and often encroaches on the space where the shelf could be. We've got a way around this with our innovative HepvO valve. It replaces the need for a P-trap, saving a huge amount of space, and fitting one is easy too. First things first, let's get the old trap out, give it a quick clean, then replace the pipe. Then attach the angled adapter to the HepvO valve. It screws on nice and easy. We just need to make sure the ribs line up with the back of the bend, like this. And now we're ready to fit the HepvO valve. Tighten it up, hand tight will do, then attach the angled adapter to the sink drain, and you're done. It's a quick and easy way to save a huge amount of space under the sink. So for a sanitary waste valve that won't leak, gurgle, or crack, buy yours online today at HepvO.com. For plumbing wholesalers and RV dealers, please contact Sunbelt Marketing.